Good afternoon guys, right, it's James. Welcome to another video for Advanced In-Car Tech. So, another interesting one. All day I've been working on this VW Touareg or Touareg, whatever you want to call it, however you want to pronounce it. This is a 2019, it's the CR chassis, Charlie Romeo chassis, and it is a VW Touareg. Okay, so it's been in today for the Genuine VW Electric Tailgate. I was about to say Audi then. The Genuine VW Electric Tailgates that would have come from factory if it had been spec'd with what Richard has fitted today. We've also then allowed it to open and close from the key. Yes, of course, it will open from the key anyway, but this car needs a specific module for it to shut with the key to override the safety parameter. So what we're going to do now is I'll just show you an opening. So before this, when this vehicle came in this morning, it was just a heavy boot lid up and over on its telescopic rams. Now, just press and hold 2 seconds and the boot lid will open. So Richard comes over here, we'll just show you, obviously all the trim's gone back in. These are the new super duper electronic rams with the cabling that goes into the vehicle. We don't have to drill any holes, this is all factory prepped, so we just fit all the parts. This is the new button in the boot lid or tailgate, if you want to be American, and you just press the button and that will shut the lid. Now, whilst we're here, if you come around to the driver's side, we did another one of these earlier this week on a VW Arteon, and because this is a VW Touareg, it also has the factory door card switch. Now, as a general rule, when we retrofit these kits, we don't offer this button because we've found a few times that the door module doesn't talk to the button, so therefore it's null and void. This, ordinarily, with the ignition on or the ignition off, if I lift the button like so, that will open. Now from factory, ordinarily, again, that won't shut because nobody wants to be in the news for trapping an arm or a baby or an animal. Either way, if you want to shut it, we now do a double press, so 1, 2, and that will now shut the boot lid. Now, if I shut the door, I'm going to lock the vehicle, like so. So the car's locked, let's pretend it's asleep, blah, blah, blah. If we want to do this now, we can press and hold 2 seconds. That will open the boot lid. And then because we have integrated the vehicle with a closing module, not coded it, but integrated it with a hardwire module, for this to shut with the key fob, I press the lock button twice, 1, 2, and that will then shut the boot lid. So if you've got your arms full of shopping, or it's raining, or you don't want to get out of the car, and you can operate it from the key inside, or you can operate it from the switch-in door if it's raining. Bearing in mind that we live in Britain, it's quite a common thing. So, this is a 2019 VW Touareg or Touareg, and this is the CR model. If you want this fitted, this product, the electric tailgate, is all genuine parts. It comes with 2 years warranty, has to be installed down here in our workshop in Poole in Dorset. Beautiful place to visit. You can come and spend the day with us. This has taken best part of the day, but it's normally about 2/3 of the day. So please get in touch with us. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, press like, anything else. Tell your friends and family what we do, and you can come and get this product fitted, or if you've got a VW or Audi in the range, we may be able to do it to your car too. So thanks for watching, speak soon.